Apart from new smartphones, a television and more, OnePlus has also launched the Buds Pro 2 true wireless earphones in India. We've received our review unit of the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and here is our unboxing. Opening the box and getting some of the literature out of the way, the first thing that you will notice is the charging case itself wrapped in a little bit of plastic. Let me just take that off and give you a closer look at the charging case itself. Up top on the lid is the OnePlus logo and right below it is the Dynaudio logo. Now Dynaudio is a Danish loudspeaker brand that has collaborated with OnePlus for the tuning of the Buds Pro 2. Taking a look inside, the earphones look quite similar to those of the OnePlus Buds Pro. There aren't significant design changes. Let me just get the plastic out of the way and also show you a little bit more, but we'll get back to that a little bit later. Also in the sales package is additional ear tips. There are 2 additional pairs of silicone ear tips for a customizable fit. There is one set already attached to the earphones as you saw earlier. Apart from this, there is a short charging cable. This is a similar charging cable to what you get on most OnePlus audio products. It's short, it's red and white, and it has a USB Type-C port on one end and a Type-A port on the other end for charging. Now coming back to the charging case and earphones themselves, as I mentioned, the design doesn't see too many changes, neither on the charging case nor on the earpieces. There are force touch controls. The microphones look a little bit different. That is a notable change over here, but that's just a really small difference that won't significantly change the way these earphones look. Now that's it for our unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. We are carrying out a detailed review as well, and we will hopefully be publishing that very soon on gadgets360.com, so stay tuned.